What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara Chanel, but I go by Keeks on the beat or Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this 90s updo. Y'all, I love this hairstyle. I feel like this is such a cute style to wear for like a special occasion. And I also decided to take it up a notch by adding some color to this unit. I got this hair from Hermosa hair. I'm going to insert the clip of the hair in its natural state because I did bleach the hair myself and I added some Updo cinnamon, and this is how I achieved this really cute brown color. Whether you want to prom, your birthday, or you just want to look cute, this is the style for you. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair is looking after a wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and press my hair out, and then I'm gonna put everything up into a big ponytail. Y'all, this is such unreal on you. The hair is very thick. That's what I will say. Whew, okay. I'm good with how this looks. That was a lot. I didn't pull out no baby hairs. Ah! Not that I needed any. This is cute. This is cute. This side, I don't know. This side a little. Dang, this look a little bit too natural. Like this giving my natural hairline for real. My shit really start back there. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that powder eyeshadow that I used for my lace. Let me just go over this little area right here. This is so cute. Like, I will wear it like this, actually. Blown out like this, it looks very natural. Maybe one of these days I will. I'm gonna put a little bit higher, and then I'm gonna actually layer the ponytail. Have we coming? Okay, y'all, so let me just tell y'all what happened in the past hour. So my camera battery died, so I was waiting on my battery to charge, and then I figured like, let me just get my other curlers and make them a little bit tighter. So I've been curling this side over and just making them tighter because I am going to comb them out, and I kind of want this to be super defined, like a super polished look. So I'm about to just go ahead and finish curling this out. Okay, y'all, so all of the curls are done. I'm just gonna spray some holding spray real quick before I start styling. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to comb some of them out, give it a little tease, and then pin it, and then some of them I'm just gonna pin like right away. Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty much done pinning. This is how it looks from the front. Now, again, this is not like a 360 lace or anything like that. This is how the back is looking. You wearing, your natural black wig, then it's gonna be fine. If you are wearing a colorful wig, I would just suggest taking like the back track out and letting it hang and just curling it like that. But this is such a cute style, y'all. Like, I never really do updo, let alone the updo with color, so it's definitely giving my mom. I feel like I like my mama right now. And shout out to Hermosa Hair for providing me with this unit. This is a really cute unit. I did wear this for like 2 weeks already, and I can say that this hair is not like low maintenance at all. You're gonna have to take care of this hair. You're gonna have to wrap it up. You're gonna have to keep it detangled and all that type of stuff because it is on a thicker side. It's a higher density and it's very thick, which is not a bad thing. It's just there's a little bit more maintenance that comes with it. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Please turn on your post notifications so that you're aware of when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.